Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ice cream cones without a waffle maker. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 2 large eggs, 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's prepare the batter. In a medium bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and salt. Give them a good whisk. In a separate bowl, beat the 2 large eggs, then gently stir in the 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, slowly add the wet mixture to the dry, whisking until you achieve a perfectly smooth, lump-free batter. With your batter prepared, it's time to cook these delicious wafers. Heat your nonstick pan or flat griddle over a steady medium-low heat. A light greasing with butter or cooking spray helps. Pour about 2 tablespoons of batter onto the hot surface, spreading it quickly into a thin, 5-inch circle. Cook each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown and the wafer looks set and slightly crisp. This final step is crucial for perfect cones. As soon as a wafer is cooked, immediately and carefully remove it from the hot pan. While it's still warm and pliable, quickly roll it around a cone mold, a wooden spoon handle, or even a clean dowel. Hold the shape for about 30 seconds until it begins to set. Then, place your beautifully shaped cones on a wire rack to cool completely, ensuring they become wonderfully crisp and ready for your favorite ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.